Greetings, your trainer Mr. Ngige. This is our lesson 4, physical rack in physical topology. We are going to look at our unit of competency is inside plant network. So our objectives are we are to define terms, we are to identify types of network cable management, we are to familiarize with physical rack in physical topology in Cisco packet tracer. We are going to use a Cisco packet tracer, and on my left we have a switch that has been mounted on a rack. On my right we have routers that have been mounted on a rack, and the sources is shown. Then we also have the cables, physical cables, which have been inserted. Definition: the physical topology, this is a repetition, describes how the network is actually laid on, and the a logical topology describes how the data actually flows through the network. Racks or frame. The frame serves as a structural backbone of the network rack, providing support and stability for mounting networking equipment. Inside this a rack, we have the mounting rails, the doors. Actually, you can see them, the doors, the mounting rails. We have the side panels. We have the casters for leveling feet. We have the locking mechanisms. And then we have the cable management and cooling and ventilation. So in the network physical in Cisco packet tracer, and this is what we shall be implementing going forward, we have what you call the cable peg. We have the inventory shelf. Then we have the rack. This is the rack, and this is the table. So we shall be mounting cables, and these are the various cables, and I'm sure you're familiar with these screenshot in packet tracer logical implementation. So we have these cables which have been connected to the, this is a console cable connected to the console port on the router. Then you have a switch connected to a router. Then you have a PC connected to a switch. So these are some of the implementation which we shall be implementing going forward. So network cable management is a network cable management is a device used to manage and organize network cables, which can neatly arrange and organize various types of network cables. The source is shown. So this is how a picture of a network cable management. Types of network cable management, we shall look at two. One is the horizontal cable management, which is suitable for cable management in the horizontal direction, usually installed in front of racks or network cables, and is used in conjunction with patch panels to provide convenient connection management. A vertical management is used to manage and organize network cables in the vertical direction. So that's the match. So function of cable management. It helps to facilitate cable identification and tracking, cable search and replacement, and improve the reliability, security, and maintainability of network systems. It provides a centralized cable management method to avoid cable confusion, entanglement, and closing, provide a clear wiring structure, and ensure orderly wiring. Network cable manager is designed with ventilation holes on channel to facilitate air circulation effectively, dissipate the heat generated by the equipment, and maintain normal operating temperature and improve the overall efficiency and reliability of the network system. So that's the much I have for this introductory lesson or continuation. This is the last thing we shall talk about as a tutorial. The rest will be now implementation of Cisco packet tracer. So we need to check on physical topology whereby we are using the cables. We have also checked on uh, the cable management types, the vertical and the horizontal, and the functions. Um, so the references that are shown. So I would say that going forward, we shall we will be intentional to now start implementing the physical topology. So if it's the first time, kindly subscribe. And for those who have subscribed, thank you. And encourage us to continue sharing and liking our videos. For assignments, you can do the following. Define the following terms: logical topology, physical topology, and differentiate between vertical and horizontal cable management topologies. I'm going to take you through the packet tracer for a while. So you can see what is on my Cisco packet tracer. This is the shelf, and we get it through this if something is not popping up, but of essence is that we are going to implement it using these icons up here, and then the table also we are going to also insert it through these particular icons. So I can zoom in maybe a bit for you to see. So thank you very much. So going forward, I would prepare. I would like you to be prepared that this is what you shall be implementing. So thank you very much, and you're blessed.